My name is Karina Martinez. I am a second-year biochemistry pre-med student, and I am from Amarillo, Texas. My dream job is to become an oncologist, so I could work with nonprofits, so I could provide assistance to the uninsured community in Amarillo. And I also love science, and I couldn't see myself doing anything else. My degree is going to impact my family because I'm the first person to go to college, so it's helping me build that bridge to overcome poverty, and so that way I could help my family as well. For instance, like my siblings, they now have somebody to look up to have someone to support them and know the process of going to college, so that way they're not alone. I chose WT because of the great community. I really felt like I was at home, and since I also have to help my family financially, it really helped us that I wasn't too far away. As a first-generation college student, I've learned that the advisors here at WT, they really care for you, and if you really have questions, you can always go to them and ask them, and they're willing to give you the help that you need. So the Drummer Summer program focuses on assisting disadvantaged minority students, and it helps us build a strong network with other researchers. I feel like this program is going to assist me with gaining more experience, and that way I could be more competitive when it comes to applying to medical school. I would advise other students to just go for it. You do have to study a lot, but at the end it's worth it, and I find it to be very fun.